Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and then launch the Gmail application. Right there on the right upper corner, tap here, and you can see that we are just logged in into two accounts at the same time, and now I'll show you how to log out from one from these accounts. So just to do that, you should tap here to manage accounts on this device. And for example, we'll log out from the first account. Just tap there and click here to remove account, click to remove account again, and as can you see, we stay here in the Google account settings only with one account, because only by this way we can log out from Gmail account on our device. So now we'll just go back to the application. And as can you see, we just stay only with one account, and by this way we can log out from Gmail account on our device. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.